Hours of work later, look at this transformation. We sent a photo to the mechanic and he was impressed, but I don't think I told you about the previous tenants. The engine was just a warm-up. Now comes the real challenge. We're about to face this apocalyptic paint job. This isn't regular dirt, and it looks like a biological layer fused into the car's structure. This grime feels like concrete. Even sanding it doesn't make it budge. I'm really concerned. I don't know if there's anything in our arsenal strong enough to clean